We've recently learned that 3 of the iconic restaurants has received the Culinary Heritage Award. We are outside the first spot, Mocambo, and we're going to show you what are the real items to try over here. Let's go. The first 3 items which we're trying out at Mocambo today, of course, the fresh lime soda has to be here, garlic toasts, as well as some prawn cocktails. Let's give a bite of the garlic toast. Smell of the fresh garlic over here gets me going every time. Next up, some creamy, spicy, sweet prawn cocktails at Mocambo. You can see the size of the shrimps over here and the freshness once it goes inside your mouth. I personally prefer the prawn cocktails at Mocambo more than Peter Cat. I think it's just a personal bias. The next 2 items which we are having, of course we're going to be coming to Mocambo. There's no way we're not going to be having the crab. So we're trying out some creamy, cheesy, sweet crab meat. Complaint I've always had over here, I find these crab meats a little under-seasoned. So whoever has preference of a little bit more of salt and pepper, you can certainly add them to your taste. Next up, we have something called the asparagus on toast. Now this is dripping with cream. This is the first time I'm trying this dish out. If you're a vegetarian struggling to find options at Mocambo, this is something which is going to be unique and something which you might like.
Asparagus gulo rekha and bread and cheese ta kini.
Puro ulto. Alright, the next 2 items. First of the main courses, we have a chicken a la keef, which you have to order if you're at Mocambo, as well as a veg cannellini. Let's start with the veg cannellini. It's creamy on top, spicy inside. It's a pretty good dish. But the main reason why we are at Mocambo, invariably most of the times, the chicken a la keef. Now this is a Russian dish which oozes butter every time you break in, with a side of potatoes, some peas, as well as carrots. Let's dig in. You see the butter gushing out. Look at the amount of mess it creates. This is one dish which is not for the faint-hearted. And this is my chicken a la keef. This is another of the iconic items which are marked with H on the menu. So you're going to find a lot of items which are marked with the H, which stands for heritage. And these are items which are available in this particular restaurant with the menu for the past 6 decades. More than 6 decades. It was established in the year 1956. And this is well seasoned. Final item which we'll be having. Now, most of the items over here, you'll find it with coming aside of pasta, potatoes, your peas, as well as your carrot. I'll just break it into a smaller bit because I am already full by now. This is my fish.
কালকে মর্নিং ওয়াকে যেতে হবে বহুত চিজ আর বাটার খাওয়া অ্যাসপারাগাসটা ছেড়ে দিলে গেছে এখন মনে হচ্ছে
Okay, so we have a baked Alaska. That's the first dessert which we are having. It's a little mild, with pineapples inside and charred outside. Not going to be very sweet, but it certainly is theatrical. A generous amount of chocolate sauce poured into this. It's classical. It's again a very mild dessert. It's like a biscuit, a very fluffy, airy biscuit. Have it with a little bit of this vanilla, a classic vanilla ice cream, and some chocolate sauce. Very mild. And finally, চল তাহলে বেরোবো।
ডেজার্ট নিয়ে খুবই তোলা হলো না আমার।
পিচ্ছাস।
কিন্তু এটা নেই, এখানে চকলেট নে।
So that was our experience dining in at Mocambo, celebrating the new award which it has received. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure that you share with your friends and family. There are going to be more videos in this particular series, so you can stay tuned for that. Until next time, it's Food Spa wrapping up from Mocambo. Cheers. Good night. All right, who do we have here? We have Sid, who is the third generation owner of Mocambo. Thank you first of all for having Food Spa over.
Thank you for coming.
And thank you for agreeing to talk. You're a shy boy.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about Mocambo.
So Mocambo was started by my grandfather in 1956, and originally it was 2/3 of this, with a massive dance floor with lights underneath. It had a live band, and you couldn't enter without a gown or a dinner jacket. Subsequently, over the years, things have changed. Music is gone. We've had the opportunity to expand the place. But I have to say that most of our dishes are the same as what it was in 1956.
So you've received the Culinary Heritage Award. What does it mean to you?
That's right. So firstly, let me say and let me thank Intact, which is a massive pan-India organization, and they've been gracious enough to recognize the older places which are still in continuation. So it's a wonderful opportunity, I think, for us and for the others who've received this award. And it's a good recognition, and for the number of years that we've been in business.
Great. Thank you so much, Sid. Once again, it's always a pleasure sitting down with you, dining in,
My
and
pleasure.
we cannot wait for the next
My
time.
pleasure. My
Cheers.
pleasure.
কি ভালো লাগছে আমি ভিডিওতে, নিজেরটা নিজেই দেখে হাসছে।